Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to export all your Google Workspace data, including emails, Drive files, calendar events, and more, using Google Takeout, whether you're switching accounts or just want a backup. This process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, go to takeout.google.com and sign in with your Google Workspace account. You'll see a list of all Google products that hold your data. By default, everything is selected. If you only want specific data, like Gmail, Drive, or Calendar, click Deselect All and then choose the apps you want. You can even click the drop down to select specific file formats. Scroll down and click Next Step. Choose your delivery method. You can get a download link via email or have it sent directly to Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or Box. Select Export Frequency, one time or scheduled every 2 months for a year. Pick the file type and file size limit. Click Create Export. Depending on how much data you have, this can take minutes or even hours. You'll get an email when it's ready to download. When you receive the email, click the download link. Save the files to your computer or your preferred cloud storage. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Google Workspace data. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments what other Google Workspace tutorials you'd like to see next.